that body. Excuse me. That was a little hot right there. Come to the pot. Come to the pot, man. Come on, look close, cause I want to see the pot. How that thing is. Drop that. That's all you got. Dropping that little butter like that, there. All right. That's it. That's it. Put this back in the refrigerator. So I want. Alright. Then off the spoon, you know what I'm saying? You just stir it around, get it off the spoon. Stir it around a little bit. Stir it around a little bit. It's almost off the spoon. It's almost off the spoon. It's almost off the spoon. Alright, it's off the spoon. Now, put the top back over it. Oh, see these little chunks of butter just floating around in the water there? We're going to let that just dissolve, and then we're going to start our preparation of everything else. Cause we just like that party. Bring closer to that bag, you know what I'm saying? Major key. You know what I'm saying? Major key. You see how big them things is? Major key. You know what I'm saying? Major key. You feel me? Look at them things, man. Them things huge, bruh. Huge. 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 How am I face for this shit? You know what I'm saying? I need to grab a bag, y'all. I told her not to throw it in that basket.
Now say what again?
I told you I not throw them bags in.
You told my ass not to throw the bag away. Okay.
I think girl just peel these things right. Show you how to do it. That's how you know you bought them just right, because they start falling off themselves and shit. You know, you just make sure everything is off of them. Drop it in the bowl. Juicy. Woo. Hot. Hot. Fire. Fire. Ooh, Lord have mercy.
recorder?
Oh, turn the thing on.
But it's a stop.
Is it stop? I don't know. Turn it. Hit OK. No, it's still recording.
Oh, I don't know how to work your stop.
I just told you. I'm going slow.
Like, yeah, mammy.
I don't know. Huh? Oh.
What the hell was that?
I see that one. Instagram.
So, question.
What?
Are you ready?
Yes.
You don't even know what I'm going to ask, or you already saying yes?
The Super Bowl, yeah! Ready for what? That's how y'all do it. That's how you do it. All the men out there, that's how you do it. You just kill them just like that. Nigga, just stop talking. Palm Beach, baby. 4-4. What's the avenue? Believe that? Alright, back to business. Cause we just like to party. Just dropped the shrimp in that thing. Ooh, that thing look big. Them big boy shrimp in that good. Ooh, Lord to have mercy. Look who just walked back in. This little rascal. Say hey, Darren. Say hey.
What do you want? No soda. No soda. What do you need? Water? Water. Oh, milk. We just had milk, so it's water time. Here you go. You don't want the water? You're not thirsty. So you can't keep drinking so much milk till you be constipated. Will you be constipated? Then you're going to wish you had one of these water to drink.
See, that's what that bag do. That bag had them shrimp looking like that. Oh, nice and reddish. That's that bag, boy. That's that bag.
Drink the water. Just because you getting tall don't mean you're no grown person now. Bye. Bye, midget.
Say hey, Darren. Really? Say hey, y'all.
Huh?
Say hey, y'all.
Hey y'all.
Darren, you want to watch a scary movie?
I ain't what?
Chucky.
Chucky.
No, scarier than Chucky.
I'm gonna get a Chucky doll. You want Daddy buy a Chucky doll?
The real one?
Yeah.
And it's gonna kill me?
This might kill you.
No.
We might be alone.
Ah!
But they're all in the freezer. I just put it in the freezer. Maybe if y'all learn how to put it in the freezer when y'all drink up my water, then we would have cold water. Okay. This is yours. Hold on.
Your water.
Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Maybe what's that? Watch them out before you say something. Snatch so alive. What you say? Yes. But all of those are going to feel the same. They're going to taste the same. They're not cold yet. process of getting food. So what can I help you with? Why are you in the kitchen? Are you cooking? What are you cooking? Lettuce? That ain't going up out of here. Come on, boy. How you cook lettuce? Tell me that. What's the rest? What's the rest? What? Hold on. How you cook lettuce?
Bread and load it down, and then you put mustard on it and meat.
Oh, that sounds like a sandwich.
And salt, yeah, and you put salad on it, cheese on it, and eat it.
Mmm. So what kind of sandwich would that be again?
A sandwich,
What kind?
burger,
What kind of burger?
cheeseburger,
Oh, that's your favorite?
and with lettuce.
Oh, what's your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite place to eat?
Cause the thing just twirling around and out. Ooh, the thing getting ready. That's when that seasoning start hitting.
Dorchester.
That's when that seasoning start hitting, boy.
What do you know
They
about
start
Dorchester?
twirling in there just like that. Clean up the other.
Is that how you say it?
Can you please hand me a beer?
Okay.
Can you please open it for me? Can you please take the rest of the beers out of there before they get cold?
I get cheese.
Yo, cheese.
Darren, if you can't use the bathroom, I don't hear nothing. Get clogged up like you did last time, that's on you. That was funny.
They ready.
That was definitely funny, Darren.
What?
When you would say, oh, no, I can't go to the bathroom.
That's a cold beer there, boy.
Oh, Larry.
Hey, open
That's all in love. Nope, I'm not responsible for your constipation. You want it, you open it, and you eat it.
That's how you let the seasoning get in that thing, boy. That seasoning in there.
it does.
Shrimp just floating around in that thing. That's why you let it marinate in there. Marinate in there like that, though. Like that, though. Cause we just like to party. Cause we just like to party. That's how you grab that bag. That's how you grab that bag. I ain't gonna see it. Ooh, that thing boiling in there. Ooh. That's how you do that thing. Grab them things out. Put the head in first now. That's where you want most of the juice going on. Grab the heads like that there. That water. There you go. All you do is cover that thing on up. Give it a little voodoo spell. Hold it on up.
Didn't I tell you little sneaky ass no soda? Bye. Go. Go. Here, oh here. Perfect thing. Don't you like spinach? Here. So you gotta add it. But yeah, they do everything by my dad.
There it is, guys. That looks pretty damn good. Now, the eggs are down at the bottom, the shrimp is on top, the crab is in there, the snow crabs. We're about to eat, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you.